Hi lifestyle lovers, welcome back to my channel. I told you guys a few videos back that I am planning some transformations this year, some small renos in my place. So today's video is going to be me shopping for some flooring. I am planning to get the flooring done in my main living area. I do have a open floor plan, so I'm planning to keep the tile down. I'm not going to replace that, at least not this go round. But where the carpet is, there is a very high traffic area, so everyone pretty much has to come across the area when they enter my home, into the house. So my options for flooring are going to be Home Depot as well as Lowe's, and I am going to check out Floor & Decor probably tomorrow. So I am going to go to Home Depot today as well as Lowe's. Both of those are in my area. Floor & Decor is a little farther out. So if you're interested in coming along with me shopping for flooring for my first transformation of 2020, then keep watching. Color that I'm going for is like a dark gray. Here is one sample, and this is called Black Ash. So I'm gonna take that one home, as well as Black Oak. And I think I like the detail on the Black Oak. Some of the samples are out, but I'm going with the vinyl waterproof flooring. So I have two samples so far, but I guess this is my top choice right now. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I just left out of Rose and I only got two samples. I got a little overwhelmed when I went into Lowe's, just simply because it was just so much. They had a lot on sale, but the ones on sale didn't have any samples that came with them. So I was primarily looking for flooring that had samples, that way I can kind of compare. The two samples that I have is not the traditional flooring like the ones that I got from Home Depot. The traditional is what I mean as far as the lines, with the lines through them. So this one, I guess, is kind of like a marble type print. I guess that's the only way I can describe it. And here is another one that has both the gray and the brown kind of blended in. I like that. That was the first time that I have seen that. So tomorrow I'm going to check out Floor & Decor, which I know I'm going to be overwhelmed when I go in there, because that's like a candy land for kitchens, bathrooms, flooring. And I hope I don't take too long to decide on something, because the guy pretty much told me once I select my flooring, he can, you know, place me on the schedule. Once I select it and purchase it, he can place me on the schedule. So I thought I had a good idea of what I wanted, but now I'm like, oh, it's a lot, and it's a permanent decision pretty much. So, you know, I need to be sure. So yeah, so that's it for today. I'm gonna grab some dinner and I'm gonna head in. It has started to rain, but Floor & Decor in the morning. Morning, lifestyle lovers. Day 2 of looking for flooring. I'm just pulling up to Floor & Decor. I thought the store would be bigger, but if I haven't already told you guys, Floor & Decor is like a Disneyland for home renovations. So I hope I don't get overwhelmed when I go in here, but I will definitely find some flooring in here. I have two choices from Home Depot, two choices from Lowe's, and I don't know how the samples work. I've been in here before, but it's been a few years. I haven't been in here since I had my last house, my first purchase house. So yeah, let's check it out, y'all. Hey, I'm actually in the area where all of the vinyl is located. The first thing that I did notice was the prices are a lot higher per square footage compared to Home Depot and Lowe's. So my intention was not to do a voiceover in this video, lifestyle lovers, but the music that was playing in the store was so loud and I do not want to get a copyright strike. So I may have to do a voiceover during certain parts of the video. Possible option. I don't know if it might be too light. I like it, but you know, it has the dark tones, but it's kind of light. I have a son, yeah.
22 mil compared to that 12 mil.
Okay.
It shows the durability. Like if I was to take a knife or anything to that floor,
Okay.
it ain't gonna damage.
Okay.
Whereas lower than that.
Okay. So this is more durable. That's why it's more expensive. Okay, gotcha.
Well, and then on top of that, you got lifetime warranty.
Well, those have lifetime warranty as well.
Yep. Yep.
On residential.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I mean, you want to get a durability, don't you? And we got more of a variety of nuclear.
I mean, but what are the odds or somebody?
I don't get a permission, so I'm not trying to.
I mean, I know. I understand. I mean, I don't know, but what are the odds or somebody taking a knife and sticking it in the flooring?
You gotta meet my roommate.
What you said?
You gotta meet my roommate.
Meet your roommate. Okay. I was just, you know. So yeah. So I get
But
it.
now, that's how you judge it.
That's how you judge. Okay, far as the prices is concerned. Okay.
Yeah, Newport's kind of
May be too light. I don't want to put you on camera if you. Okay.
samples, take them home, bring them back.
Okay. So the samples are $5.
We give you an excuse to come get coffee.
Okay. Does it taste like Starbucks coffee? Randolph say they have free coffee, but I know it's nothing like this.
Oh,
Nothing.
wait till I make it.
Wet moppable. I just asked Randolph, what do you clean the vinyl with?
Who are you talking to?
We're talking to lifestyle lovers from our YouTube channel.
Yeah, what's going on? How y'all doing?
He's
You want some
hilarious.
coffee?
So I asked Randolph, what do we clean the vinyl with?
Duralex gets wet and stuff. Wet.
Are you camera shy? You okay? Well, you don't have to be on the camera. This has been a funny trip. Wait a minute. So if I get the vinyl, do I have to use the Duralex, or are there other options that I can get from Walmart? Is that sold in Walmart?
Yeah. Well, not in Walmart. I don't know. I don't shop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I know Home Depot and Lowe's.
Oh, Home Depot. Okay. Just something
you
that.
Keep me off camera.
Yeah.
I don't even work here. I just walked in and got
Yeah, right.
I
just want to make sure it's something that I'll be able to get. I don't have to come out here to buy it.
Yeah, you can buy that one.
Home Depot.
Home Depot or Lowe's, but they have a different brand.
It's called Duralex.
You gonna put me on camera for real?
You want me to turn? I'll turn it off.
Hey.
I'm just trying to,
What if they come back at me?
They're not gonna come back at you.
Then what's up?
Look at
You
him.
want some coffee?
He been trying to sell me. I mean, not sell me, but offer me their coffee. It's not better than
Because
Starbucks.
I told her it's better than Starbucks.
Okay, so. lifestyle lovers. So I'm just leaving out of flooring decor. I got a lot of good footage for you guys, but to be honest, I thought that they would have a lot more than they did. That is a new store, and the bigger store is all the way on the other side of town, so I'm not going to go over there. But I did end up purchasing a sample. So these samples were $5, and you can return it, of course, if you decide not to use it. So I thought I wasn't going to be as close to a decision after I left out of there, but I actually am. I don't know if you were able to hear, the guy was explaining the thickness in the material is kind of like the price difference. So the Nucor brand, which was, I believe, 22 mm in thickness, and this one is, I believe, 5 mm in thickness. So I took a snapshot of it. It may be more, but I kind of better understand the difference in price. So the thicker it is, as far as the vinyl flooring is concerned, the more durable it is. And the less thicker it is, the less durable it is, which would explain the price difference. And so yeah, I think this texture is really close to something that I got from Home Depot, but the price is a lot lower. So I'm just kind of gonna compare the thickness now that I better understand it. And I asked him about oak, which is like engineered wood, and he said that if I decided to go with something like that, then there are a lot more things that I would have to worry about, such as sealing the floor. He said installation takes a lot longer and all of that stuff. So yeah, so I'm going with the waterproof vinyl, and I think I'm closer to a decision, and it'll be more close to this color. So I'll probably do a vlog or a video on the whole installation process. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Okay, lifestyle lovers, before I conclude this video, a girlfriend suggested that if I see a flooring that I like, to buy the entire box, take it home, place it down on the floor to see if I really like it. So I end up going back to Home Depot. This is a flooring that I purchased from Home Depot. I just purchased a box, but I placed it down on the rug, up under the furniture, just to kind of get a good look at it and see if I like it. And I am really liking it. I am going to take another trip to Floor & Decor just to be sure, but I think this may be the one that I actually select for my flooring. So stay tuned.